Often my patients ask me, should I drink green tea or should I drink turmeric? Actually, they're a lot more better if you can tailor-make your own tea.
In this series, we're looking at how traditional Chinese medicine informs the way Cantonese people eat. Last week, TCM practitioner Dr. Li shared a healthy pear soup dessert with us. She's back this week to make 3 of her favorite herbal teas that help boost the immune system.
Everyone is different, right? They all have different body types. So I need to customize the herbal formulas for every individual. Hot body type has excessive yang and will often suffers from sore throat, mouth ulcer, constipation, who tends to prefer cold drinks. The urine color is more yellowish, and when I look at their tongue, it's often very red. We should choose herbals with cooling properties like honeysuckle, chrysanthemum, etc. They are really strong at quenching the inner heat in the lung system.
Blossomed and unblossomed. These are 2 types of chrysanthemums used.
So the unblossomed chrysanthemum with the flower buds not yet blossomed, it has more pollens inside. It has more antioxidant properties and greater efficacy.
The first batch of tea is thrown away. It's made to clean any dust off the herbs, and the hot water activates the herbs, so the flavors get released in the second batch. The floral aroma of the chrysanthemum is very dominant over the honeysuckles in the tea, so it doesn't feel like you're drinking something medicinal at all. For cold body types, Dr. Li has something else in mind. People with this body type easily catch a flu or cough. Once they have it, their first symptom is usually a runny nose, and they often have cold hands and feet, and loose stool.
The astragalus root and red dates have warming properties that strengthen our spleen system and help generate more defensive qi.
Snip the astragalus root so it fits in the teapot. There's also American ginseng in this tea, which has a cooling property and prevents the drink from becoming too warm.
The cold and hot ingredients can coexist in the same tea, but whether the overall property is cold or hot depends on the potency of the ingredient or the amount of individual herbal you put into the tea.
Hong Kong summers are full of heat and humidity, which transforms into inner heat and dampness in the body. Symptoms include swelling, water retention, and lethargy. Our third drink helps protect our bodies from pathogens. The main ingredients are cork seeds, lemon, and lemongrass. Cork seeds and lemongrass are great for removing dampness, while lemons are full of vitamin C.
When you clean the lemon, you put some salt on your palm and then you rub it to remove the rags.
The cork seeds, water, and lemongrass stems are cooked at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It's then strained and left to cool down. The entire lemon is thrown into a blender and strained for its juices. Once the liquid cools down, the lemon juice is poured in. Dr. Li adds maple syrup for sweetness.
It's not about drinking a lot at a go. It's more about drinking bits and bits, day by day, and then you enjoy the accumulative effect. And that's the beauty about TCM. You know, the way that we boost the immune system is about accumulative in a long-term practice.
The taste buds' favorite was the refreshing and tasty lemon and cork seeds drink. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.